kick like a bitch.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight.
What's up, buddy?
Cast me far, play this acting too late. Cast me far, play this
Huh?
acting
I'll follow you. You got it?
That's you can go through there. All it ain't. It's not leaking all right there.
Well, shit, I ain't going through any of the water. I'm just gonna kick that root up. What'd you do?
Must be something underneath. Day two, I'm still trying to figure out what makes you hard on the call. I guess it comes from your heart, 'cause when your head's right, you take your time. There's something about the love that makes you right. Fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring never across the room. I dare you play your card, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. Fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. Staring never across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too. Trendsetter, seeing fire when the strobe hits you. I didn't see who you came with. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring never across the room. I dare you play your card, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. I feel the heat, fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. Staring never across the room.
So you want me to talk about the flames that'll come out of your asshole from eating a pickled jalapeno later?
How do you even know they're pickled?
Because
Do you work here? Have you ever worked at a Taco Bell?
I'm domestic, I've seen things.
Huh?
So I'm domestic, I've seen things.
I don't even know what that means.
A regular jalapeno is much firmer and they're a lot brighter.
Well, I feel crispy as fuck.
Give me that bitch. Did you already throw them all on the ground? Fucking weak ass. Ask for it spicy and fucking takes them all off.
I ate the first one and I didn't like them.
Then why'd you ask for it spicy?
Well, I know they were gonna
You
put-
get mild sauce.
I thought they were gonna put some
It tastes like taco flavored ketchup.
Yeah, it's awesome. I love taco flavored ketchup. I'm gonna make a sauce. And that's what it's gonna say on it. Redneck's gonna eat that shit up.
Redneck.
Oh, I'm gonna get poison ivy like a motherfucker.
Second video. Yeah, this time I went to Outback. I mean, it's decent. The track's not really groomed, but if you're mainly just like a trail dude, it's pretty nice. It was a little swamped out today. It's been raining all week. Wasn't busy at all. It's Mother's Day, but yeah, hope you guys like it. Last time, I really didn't think I was gonna get any views, and I think it hit like 80 or something like that in a week, and that's like, that's a lot for me. If y'all want to see some like certain shit, like, hey, we're tired of seeing you almost case tabletops because you're retarded, like, let me know. I'm just doing it, you know. Appreciate y'all viewing and all that bull crap, so